In today's episode, let's discuss our third incense idea for the pandemic. Namaste everyone and welcome to Om Incense Show with DJ, a show that helps you increase your incense quotient. So if you are an incense enthusiast, consider subscribing. So the incense idea for today is to use a cow dung cake and just camphor, ghee and clove on it. Or if you do not have a cow dung cake, you can even use the small coal tabs that we have to appreciate or to experience the incense. Those tiny coal tabs also can be used for this. And besides that, you only need ghee, camphor and clove. Now one important thing here would be to just chant a little mantra or a shlok or a little song to whichever god that you like, whichever higher power that you can relate to. That would be a good thing. So what you need to do is just find some silent and calm place where you can sit comfortably and light a little a coal tab or a cow dung cake, and on it place a camphor, place a few drops of ghee on it and light fire to the camphor and just add 3 cloves to it. Now there are quite a few mantra and shlok that all of us in India know. So and even people abroad I'm sure must have some. In India we have one of this very famous Hanuman Chalisa that almost everybody knows. So this would be a good idea, and you can even take this in a dhoopdani or in a heat resistant bowl and take it around your house while you just chant the Hanuman Chalisa. For those who want a very small mantra which is quite easy and very very effective, because this mantra is taken from Ram Raksha Stotra and it is one of the best mantras for these times, for the times of pandemic. So I'll be chanting this little mantra here so you get an idea of what it is. You can find it online and you can play it on YouTube or wherever and it's going to be a very good addition for the normal incense that you do every day. So the mantra is from Sri Ram Raksha Stotram and it goes something like this. Ram Rameti Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranam Tattulyam Ram Nam Varanane. Ram Rameti Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranam Tattulyam Ram Nam Varanane. Ram Rameti Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranam Tattulyam Ram Nam Varanane. This is a short mantra from Sri Ram Raksha Stotram. And Ram, as all of us know, is a god that is supposed to help us heal ourselves. The very word Ram heals us. So you might want to chant this mantra, or of course you're free to use any mantra that you feel connected to, that you feel close to. And Shanti mantra would be another very nice choice for this. And the mantra that goes like Dev Shanti Antariksham, Shanti Prithvi, Shanti Rava, Shanti Hi Oshadhaya. If you know that mantra, this Shanti mantra is going to be a very good addition as well. Or you can just simply chant Shanti, Shanti, Shanti for as many times as you want. And believe me, if you just sit comfortably and calm and just close your eyes, and if you just say Shanti, 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 and you listen to yourself saying that, it's going to have an immensely calming effect on you. And there's so much of agitation in the environment these days. Shanti is something that all of us need. So let's chant a little Ram mantra to heal ourselves, or a little Shanti mantra to calm us down, or Hanuman Chalisa for protection, or any other mantra of your choice. And just do this simple thing every day, at least once. Whatever time suits you is fine enough. So that was our incense idea for the pandemic part 3. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. And till we meet again next, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.